Hello mga mamis, family and friends. I shall make quick homemade shock pan pizza. Super easy and perfect for breakfast or merienda lalo na kung busy ka o umuulan ang umaga. First, prepare your ingredients: bread, ketchup, onion, green pepper, tomatoes, cheese, and ham. Simple lang, mga basics na nasa kitchen. Budburan nyo ng paminta, spread ketchup on the bread, then add onion, slice, green pepper, and tomatoes. Ang sarap din niyang colorful na, healthy pa. Next, lagyan ng cheese slice at konting ham para mas cheesy at savory ang lasa. Then, oven toast for a few minutes hanggang sa maging golden at melted ang cheese. Amoy pa lang nakakagutom na. Habang nag-iintay sa ating pizza, mag-prepare naman tayo ng ating coffee. And here it is, my homemade shock pan pizza with hot coffee. Very simple pero super sarap. Perfect way to start the day. Kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple cooking videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!